Guys, welcome to the fresh episode of Crunch series of my channel Style Crunch. So guys, we all love snacking upon sweet corn when we are at movie theaters or at malls. So I have found out a cheap way to make these and spend less penny on it. So guys, for this you can buy any frozen corn that is from Safal or any frozen corn from nearby supermarket, and then you have to get a little amount of butter, some salt to taste, and chili powder. You can also use lemon juice if you like. So get set cooking. We have heated our utensil. We'll add butter to it. Without burning the butter, we'll add corn quickly. We'll give a nice stir. Add some salt. Be careful with the salt because butter contains salt too. Add some chili and stir it well. Since we had our corn at room temperature, we'll just give 2 minutes of steam and then it will be ready to munch. After 2 minutes, we'll check for the percentage of water. Guys, please note that I didn't add any water. I just had water of its natural corn content. You can close the flame now as the corn are well heated. So guys, if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.